Hi kabahay, so meet Gisela model. So this is a single detached property with a lot area of 176 square meters and floor area of 116.64 square meters. Meron ka ng 4 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath with 1 carport. Tara, check natin. So as you can see mga kabahay, ang Gisela model natin ay merong malaking space sa ating frontage area. This is the carport area. Naka-covered po siya dahil sa ating balcony. May flooring tayo dito made of pebbles and ceramic tiles. Let's check the setback area going to our service area. Since this is a single detached property mga kabahay, ay meron tayong walkway papunta sa ating service area around the property. Tara, pasukin natin ang ating Gisela model. So, upon entering, ang ating door po is made of metal. Meron tayong living area dito. This is the dining area. So, as you can see, kasya dito ang up to 6 seaters na dining table. And may access ito papunta sa ating lanay area. On this side naman is the access papunta sa ating laundry area. This is the kitchen area. Meron tayong bar countertop. And then the kitchen sink over here. And the built-in cabinets over and under. So here at the ground floor, we have 1 common toilet and bath. This is the bedroom number 1 here at the ground floor. So as you can see, kasya dito ang single size bed. Kaya kung ikaw ay may elders na family members, pwedeng-pwede sila dito. So the staircase is made of wood and concrete. Meron tayo ditong window for another lighting purposes. And then meron tayo ditong space for chandelier. Bedroom number 1 here at the second floor. So dito, kasyang-kasya po ang single-size bed. May provision tayo for window type and split-type aircon. May built-in cabinets and the vanity area. Bedroom number 2. So dito sa ating bedroom number 2, compared to bedroom number 1, kasya dito ang dalawang single-size bed or pwede kayo maglagay ng isang double-size bed. We have 1 common toilet and bath here at the second floor. Dito naman tayo sa master's bedroom. So sa master's bedroom, compared to other models, this one ay wala po siyang master's toilet and bath. Pero as you can see, very spacious ito and kaya mag-accommodate up to queen size bed. Tara, check naman natin ang ating family area dito sa second floor. So dito sa family area ay meron itong access pupunta dito sa ating balcony area. Nagustuhan mo ba ang ating Gisela model? Tara, tripping na here at the Verona. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Von Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson.